How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Crypto at Work. My name is LJ. I like to discuss all things about Bitcoin, altcoins, and cryptos all together. So today's topic is about the crypto market for the short term and how we see things happening with all the things that are going on here within the US and around the world. So we'll go ahead and we'll start it off with point out blank the obvious. We have another second war that's going on between Palestine and Israel, and it probably rocked the markets a little bit in the crypto world, but stock markets, they're green, and I'll get to that here in a minute and why I think that's the reason. But to start off the whole topic between those two and the war, war is never the answer. War never brings good things. I'm not picking either side of the situation because I believe both have done things throughout the years that is probably more likely uncalled for. And it sucks to see the images that are coming out from what's going on. And I mean, for me, the most is the kids. I've never have I scrolled through Twitter and seen so many babies, very young children, passed away in the arms of their parents, crying out loud. Like, it sucks to see. And it's a whole different type of war, just because now social media shows everything. Sometimes stuff are real, sometimes stuff are fake. You gotta question these things. And I'm not saying one side's doing one thing and the other side. I'm just not for war. And I mean, we saw some images from the whole Ukraine and Russia situation, because that's an ongoing one as well. Because like I said, there's two wars now going on around the world. But the pictures that came out last weekend, and videos, it's just not fun to watch. It's not a topic that I'm going to very much stay on. I'm just going to be staying neutral. I'm just not a fan of war. I'm not a fan of people pushing for war, whether on what side it is, for whatever reason. It's just, my heart goes out to the people that are involved that didn't want to be involved. All the innocent individuals out there that just want to live freely, live their life day to day, be with their loved ones. And the ones that are hurting this the most, I believe, are going to be the children. And they're paying the price too at the moment. So, it's a sad topic that I don't want to talk on this channel too long, but that is going to affect some things into the crypto market, and I think we have seen that. Now we'll go with the US. The US, high inflation. We can see it within our food, gas prices, booty toilet paper, you name it. Everything has gone up in price. Mortgage interests are through the roof. Everything and anything is just going up, and the printer machine is not stopping. We're still sending money to another war. From what I saw, we just sent out 8 billion, and we're sending out ships. So that's more money going through the printer machine. We're already at $33 trillion in debt. And every month now, the U.S. is ranking over $1 trillion. So every month we're going to be going up $1 trillion in debt. And I seen something in my page. Someone said that, what's the problem with the debt? It's not an issue. And when I see that, I mean, you can't always debate with people. It's a huge issue. It's one that's a financial huge issue, and it's going to have repercussions. Maybe not right away, but it's going to happen, especially down the road, and especially with the spending power of the US dollar, the power of the US dollar, and prices of goods and supplies that are here in the United States. And like I said, speaking of the United States, we have all that's going on. Two wars going on, but the stocks are green, especially those companies that fund military weapons. Those stocks, they're going through the roof. And oil just shot up about $4 to $5. It's going to be coming close to $90, and I definitely see it going up to $100, especially if things kind of go through more than what it should. I mean, hopefully this situation somehow calms down soon, but I just don't see it happening. But you have all that going on, and you also have gold going up as well. And I believe that right now people are looking at safe haven assets to invest their money into, and gold is going to be one of them. It's definitely not going to be long-term bonds. Those are going south quicker than a turd flushing down the toilet. Bonds are looking horrible. So you got gold, that's one thing that people are looking at. And then you have Bitcoin. People are looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dominance did rise. And that's why if you're invested into altcoins, that's why we saw a fall in our altcoins. And I believe the longer this goes on, we probably, there's a B right there, we probably will see a more further dip with our altcoins, because people are going to want to start investing into safe havens, safe assets, not risk on assets like all the other altcoins. Bitcoin is going to be the dominant one people choose, and gold's going to be another one that people choose as well. So with that being said, will Bitcoin, little bastard, sorry guys, not stopping. So will Bitcoin dip under where we're at right now, about $26,000 to $25,000? I'm leaning on a 50-50 scale. I can see it happening here with the short term period within probably a couple months, and as well as altcoins if things still escalate, and if they do escalate even more, which fingers crossed that does not happen, with other countries starting to get involved, sending money, sending chips and all that, with the situation that's going on with that second war. Gold, Bitcoin, they're your safe havens, it looks like at the moment. But I would not stop dollar cost averaging again in your favorite altcoins, or even Bitcoin. Bitcoin, long term, we know where it's going. It's set in stone. And I believe it's going to be passing silver again in market cap. And once it reaches gold's market cap, that's going to put Bitcoin at about $700,000. And I can see that definitely happening in the future. So anytime I invest in Bitcoin, Bitcoin's not a quick little sell in the bull market. People are probably thinking you're dumb for that. That's fine. I want to keep all the Bitcoin I can, and even Ethereum. But I'm keeping Bitcoin for the long haul. So right now, these prices aren't bad. Even if Bitcoin dips down to about $23,000, $24,000, $22,000, those are golden opportunities right there. In my point of view, I don't see Bitcoin getting below sub $20,000, because that's what happened last time. What was it? December, beginning of January, Bitcoin was at $15,000. I said I'm going more into Bitcoin right now, because this would be the best spot for me to do it. People were saying don't buy Bitcoin right now, we're going to see 10K, and look, it never happens. So don't be left behind thinking that this big dip is going to happen and not have your investments in, because who knows, we could just turn around and skyrocket back up 6%, go back almost to $30,000, hit $30,000 and go on. We don't know. We have a lot of things coming out this week here in the United States. We have BlackRock's ETF. I doubt it'll get passed, but that's happening this week, so we'll see if the SEC approves it or not. And if they don't approve it, they're gonna have to have a legit reason why they're not approving it. It's just not a no, sorry, we're not doing it right now. They're gonna have a legit reason why. And the SEC has already lost a lot of lawsuits against Ripple, XRP, and that's not looking good for the SEC. So who knows? I don't think we're going to see those spot Bitcoin ETFs until the very last deadline, and that's going to be in March of next year. That's my prediction on it. Who knows? It could happen a lot sooner. If it does, we can see Bitcoin going through the roof here. My personal guess is with Bitcoin right now, we will see a dip. I do believe there is going to be one more dip. It might not even happen though, so don't cross your fingers for a dip and not start dollar cost averaging in and then miss out where we are right now. But I do possibly see another dip coming in, so I do have some cash on the side waiting for it. I'm still deploying a little bit here and there, even though where we're at right now, altcoins, they're bleeding out, and they might bleed out a little bit more because, like I said, people are looking for safe haven assets. But there's still good buying opportunities, because we know by the bull run, money's going to be inflowing in. People are going to be buying major cap Bitcoin, Ethereum, then it's going to trickle down to the higher caps, Cardano, BNB and such. Then it's going to go down to the mid caps, and then it's going to go down to the low caps, and then it's going to go down to the super low caps. That's how these bull runs happen through the bull run, or how these play out through the bull run, excuse me. So I'm very bullish still for the long term. My money's still going into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and my favorite altcoins. Can it, little bastard, can it dip down? Yes, but don't miss out on the opportunity. This is the time to be DCing. Get your profile built. You should have been DCing 6 months ago, but we're still at a golden opportunity. A lot of things are down. Get your profile built. Don't be scared. Don't sell. It's not the time to be selling. Bitcoin, it's going to be your best asset to invest in, your safest one. Not going to make the biggest returns. Just depends on how much you invest. If you're a small investor putting in $5,000, you're not going to see a huge return. But these altcoins right now are at a good buying price to where you don't want to miss out on the opportunity, like HBAR. HBAR at 4 cents, hovering almost at 5 cents, 4.5 cents range. Imagine if that guy gets up to 50 cents, 80 cents, $1, $1.50, $2. You're going to kind of be kicking yourself in the butt. So don't go all in on one altcoin or Bitcoin. Be a little diversified. You don't have to have a huge 10, 15 profile. You can have just Bitcoin and Ethereum and maybe 2 other altcoins if you have a small amount to invest in. But start investing right now. This is golden opportunity for us that are already in the crypto atmosphere and world and market. There's a lot of people out in this world that don't see things happening the way that we do, and things are going to happen digitally in the future. And with everything that's happening with here in the United States, around the world, I see Bitcoin doing tremendous big things and having brighter days ahead of it. And what's also going to take altcoins up is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to shoot up. Altcoins, you're going to see them skyrocket as well, because money is going to start inflowing into these things. As well as gaming and Web3. Gaming, I feel, no matter what's going on around the world, people are going to play games. And poor Gala Games right now, they're not doing so hot. But still, all the other gaming cryptos, they're doing pretty well right now. So, that's all I want to say. Don't be scared. Stack those bags. War sucks. Peace over war. Just want everyone to love thy neighbor. Even though we're all different from all walks of kind, color, religion, race, nose shape, eyes color, freckles, no freckles, everything in the world, you name it. It's just one piece in this world. So I hope things get a lot better. And don't be bearish. Let's be bullish right now. Stack those bags, up your crypto game, up your money game. Do what you got to do to get extra income. Get it in, stacking those bags of altcoins that you really believe in. Mine, short list, HBAR, Polygon, Cardano, Immutable X, Gala Games. Even though they're having issues, I still believe in those guys. Quant, a recent one that I've just gotten into, as well as Chainlink. I mean, these blockchains and these companies and these gamings and the Web3 in the future, everything's going to have a brighter day ahead of it. Right now, it just kind of sucks. We're just seeing a little bit of blood in the streets. It's red. But I'm not being scared. I want to be financially free in the future. And I believe this is going to be the biggest bull run in Bitcoin and crypto history. 2024 to 2025, with all the things that are going to be happening within those years. I've already explained it through all my other videos. I'm going too long on this one because this thing's going to take forever now to upload. But Bitcoin halving, spot ETFs, presidential election, the SEC approving, that's still one of them right there. And the Fed making a pivot and lowering interest rates. Those things are going to have a quadruple effect. So I want you all to stay bullish, stay in the game, don't sell. I hope you all take care. Peace, love, and chicken grease. Take care, guys. Bye.